1969 Ford Mustang GT Convertible, 35th anniversary year, 4.6 liter, single overhead cam V8 underneath the hood that is paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission in this one. Original mile car, a little over 39,000 on it, leaves about 39,550. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, lets you get a good look at the front fascia, grille, hood on this one. So it's a low mile summertime car. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the interior, engine bay, trunk, undersides, check it out from every angle, top to bottom at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look up and down the passenger side of this car. Pretty much free of much for nicks, dings, or scratches riding on the factory wheels. Interior is going to be the dark gray leather with the kind of graphite or silver inserts in it. Black vinyl power top. We're going to run that up at the end of the video here so you can check it out. That's in good shape. No holes, rips, tears. Of course, dual exhaust. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Once again, check out the still pictures top to bottom, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And let's take a peek down the driver's side. As you can see, pretty much free of nicks, dings, scratches on this side also. Pretty apparent. Original mile car, summertime driven. Let's go ahead and take a look at the rear seat. Not showing much for wear back there at all. Let's go ahead. It is a power front seat also. Slide this back a tad here too. Had it slid up so I can take pictures in the back seat. And as you can see, not a lot of wear on this one either. Just the typical natural wrinkles that you'll get in the leather. It's like a pair of soft leather shoes or coat. But no rips, tears, holes in that either. Of course, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, tilt and cruise, all the amenities you're going to get with a late model car. Let's go ahead and fire this up. All right, and there is your exact miles, 39,550. As you can see, no warning indicator lights, anything like that up. Just the seatbelt. I do not have my seatbelt on, so you get the seatbelt light. Otherwise, fuel gauge working. That was a cold start, so temperature's down there. Tach works, as well as the rest of the gauges. Stereo system, AM/FM cassette, CD. CD also working. Take a look at the dash. Good shape. I'm gonna put this parking brake on. We'll run that top up, show you that functions. Everything's good there. But first, let's listen to this car. It's a nice throaty little exhaust note coming out of that 4.6 liter. Again, single overhead cam V8 paired up with that 5-speed. All right, I'm gonna reach in and let's just run this top up. I might as well show you how it works. And there we go. We'll have the rear glass window with the defroster, defogger. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get this top latch and I'll show you how it fits.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, top latched. Nice and snug up above the windshield, and again, free of rips, tears, holes. Original top. Again, glass, rear window, rear defrost. Gonna serve the purpose, keep you dry, out of the sun, whichever the case may be. And again, AC blows cold, so not a problem there. So if you're looking for a new edge convertible Mustang, low mile summer driven, here it is, 1999 Mustang GT. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, unique classiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or